What's good, YouTube? It's Darion. Today is March 3rd, 24th, 2026, and I'll be taking you guys through the one trade that I took today. So, it was a long coming in today. I was bearish um, on the higher time frame. We are clearly on a low or bearish. It's slow but steady, but we are filling in this large gap that we had from Monday. So, anything could happen. Like I'm open to anything as long as the conditions are correct, right? Cool. So start off. I believe I have this intermediate low already pre-marked. It's not there anymore because it was in my way previously. So at 8:30, it was right around here. 8:15. We haven't swept this low that I had marked out, but on ES we did. So currently we were having a bullish SMT in play pre-market. So I wanted to see at least, I kind of wanted to see shorts, honestly, to start off the day. So I was also bearish. So cool, you see this is at 9, oh crap. Let me go to the lower time frame. This is at 9:05. I swear. Wait. Yeah, right. Wait. Why are my times? Bro, I'm just realizing my times are fucking, they're swapped over here. Why are my time? Okay. Anyways, this right here on this candlestick over here, it says 8:05. I don't know why it says 9:05. It's 8:05. We have this SMC. Cool. So once we create this SMC, we come in create another SMC up here at this high with this 15-minute. I believe it's a 15-minute. Yeah, 15-minute gap. And I was also looking to target this for shorts. So this is my first short entry, or this is a short play the first short play that you could have taken. I didn't take it because I didn't like the entry that it presented itself. So boom, we get the sweep right here, and then we have a no 1 minute, no 2 minute, no 3 minute, nothing else. We have this 2-minute gap right here. Cool. Inverse that. Miss that. Cool. Now to my trade. Cool. We have a sweep on this leg right here. We come down. We sweep that low I was looking to target. And then after that, we have a nice SMT, a bullish SMT that was created right here. Now, these ones are a little tricky because in the previous, I didn't know you could create SMTs with equal lows or equal highs. Now I do, so it kind of gave me more confidence to take this trade. Nice. So we get the sweep. We get a nice V-shaped recovery, and then we start chopping around here. So originally I wanted to see the 1 minute just automatically get inversed, and then take my entry right here. Didn't happen. We edge it. This kind of made me a little on edge about the play in general, but I was on the 2-minute watching the whole time, so it looks like this, and then I see this candle close right here. So I'm like, all right, if we can get a nice close above this, I will take this. And what do? We get a nice close above this, and we create relative equal highs within this candle, which gave me even more confidence that we were gonna go ahead and take out this high, at least for sure. And because I felt like I wanted to take a trade where I knew my position would be protected. I have a protected low, I have a protected break even. I was down for it. So cool. We also create this order block, but we close all the way up here. So just like over here, I didn't take this because this is fucked RR. So I place a limit down here at this IFVG. And on top of this order block, what do you know? We tap, we instantly reject off of it. I instantly go break even in 1 minute. We start pumping around here. I go break even as well as take 50% of my contracts out. So this kind of fucked me. I could have made like $100 more. I gotta get used to using or putting partials down while my trade is going. Like I kind of was a little nervous. It's my first time doing partials, but it's cool. We come up here. I manually have to close it out because I didn't have the partial thing automatically set. And then we start juggling around in here. So at this time, since we do create the SMT with NASDAQ and not ES, I was watching ES to see if it hit my target first. So like I said, my target was the 15-minute intermediate high on NASDAQ, which was the ES created on, or was the SMT created on ES, which was in this 15-minute gap. So I was watching this 15-minute gap, and around this chop right here, I seen this candle go up right here. Oh shit! I seen this candle right here go up. Boom. Or sorry, this candle right here went up after we hit this little rejection wick, it looks like. Actually, it might not be. But we come down here, we go back up, we come back down, and then in this moment, it like clicked to me like, dude, your main like overall bias is bearish. So this right here, this TP up here is kind of stretching it. It's kind of asking for a lot. Very optimistic. So in that moment, it clicked to me. I was like, damn, I should just took out full profit right here on this when I manually closed right here. Nice little one to how much was this? One to one. Nice little 1-to-1. But I didn't. I took out half because I thought I was gonna keep going up. And then as this is happening, as I take out, I take my half. It's playing out. That ES starts pushing up, pushing up. I already took out my last contract right here when it pushed back up to this 1-to-1. Because like I said, I wanted to just get the 1-to-1. I realized, hey, I'm kind of going against my like the higher time frame bias. This probably won't play out. So cool. I check it out right here once it hits back up to like a 1-to-1. So it wasn't like, it was probably like a 0.90 or something like that. I took out the rest of my contracts, which that's why it left me with 340 P&L instead of 400. Crap. But yeah, and then like what do you know? We create that SMT on ES, and Nasdaq fails. So I feel like it was a good trade. I played it very safe. I could have let this one. Honestly, it was a good trade. I feel like only thing I fucked up on was kind of trying to stretch it to this high, without. Not even that. I feel like it was valid. I feel like I shouldn't have closed out this. I should have closed out my last position until ES actually closed it, which was on this candle, or actually went above it, which was on this candle, and then I would have been able to like got some better risk to reward. But I was also break even, and I was kind of in my head emotional from the L's I've taken this week, so cut my winner a little short there. But I'm overall happy. And yeah, that's the one trade I'll be taking for today. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your morning. See ya.